Asanteman. Ye akwa about the kingdom of Asante. Media to ni din foforo eye Obrono nie. Obrono nie dwumadie bia the kingdom of Asante dia ba se ebe dan kronkro wa Kumasi nyina adi. E kire wiase afana nyina. Se de be ya wiase afana nyina be hu de ekoso. Owo kronim. Ena be piemu amakom. Ye be dan ne pa wa amakom adi a kire wiase afana nyina.
Wonderful people, you're watching the Kingdom of Ashanti official TV, and this is Street Vibe. We're showing you the beautiful places in Kumasi, and presently we are at Amakom, and you can see this is Baba Yara Stadium in Kumasi. If you want to catch up with more of our videos, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel at the Kingdom of Ashanti official TV. I'll catch you there.
You ma kwa about say dwumadie so. Pacho spell amakom aye.
Amakom. Chi ana se brofo.
You be kan bia.
Amakom. Amakom. Ak ak amakom.
Amakom. Ye da se pass so. Kumasi amakom ni ejina no. Uba kumasi amakom pe be boso dia mino bebre. Metinu akobe abeju ani metinu apie akobe bebre Wall Street bosso vanyo ehoyede sisi ebe mi from amakom kami this year when it was 4th edition ebe koso amakom aya ha be the rough oba eye bulldog beso Wall Street beso vanyo ha bibia be de asafo be kwa wiginem wo ifri asafo ebe kwa koginem adjuso mkami bibia afi de Omombra ye hwe amafo se ba beginim ama na mekum de amakum e da nkasa ye fra mekum otumfo krom so ne yeti no aha ye te kokoso ne de ye ho upe bi papa tena de enrani amakum ye free amakum baso this year December ye start ye fra mekum opa obi amrebi tenase ache ye free amakum kumo ayadana obecheche kumo ayadana obi avenya ne de kejegum manijingum kumo
minchini nko bebi adi
na aduane be mpa so na boso ase ihia na so koto aduane
me koto gobe yo
koto gobe o esro ho na gobe na kama pa
ede
Nti de send wo baby out no.
Ai.
Obi anaye. Wada crowd be nyane. DJ Breezy. DJ yo. DJ yo. Black on you. Chrome wide.
Ahwefo eguso ewo eye amakom ase na yaba amakom fitamu ebe interview afitafo kakra ewo amakom ase nti da mpacho wudin
your friend Daniel Kusi ebu na de do no anim ni eye SK menu
okay na mpacho otena amakom an fie do sen
me kra de yewo me ha ya yewo me afi apim ahankunu adiosun num ewo Auntie Elizabeth Kwatima fie na me wo fa nimpon so ni nana anim bedwa a wo ya me komine dada watwam ko ti obusa me de echiro no
okay mate ene mpacho ane wo dia ane otna ase na mfapa na boso ewa amakom ase
amakom ha de free se mani fi kakra babia na boso pa no sisia de nyema akofo na fe no Star Night Club sa time na your sound you say high tension obna na boso ama yi sisia me no ka say die am say babia baji din ye banyo very zone banyo and they said say when I'm rancher we happen to the Star Night Club and bia na boso pa na Baso Night Club is any nyina na say akoye abakosem as a etwem they said bia mekum ha ani je ni nyina ko gira e wo banyo banyo pop na boso ana the inside and so former Capri Maserati is a hobby aminu na di akotere pa wa hasisi a medo kasai
ene menimi se ase ne wo we de ene amakom asafo enya sokwa enfa pa na anigye wo pa
ase ti da yo bibi se kumase beti amakom anigye ni nyina agya amakom anigye ni nyina ewo amakom we ejakoye no we movie kra na brabo ahyese nyina efri amakom hona na fruma wo ye nyina hona ye hyase je anigye ni de ewo amakom pa se de no kasai amakom de ho ye bia na meme ayi kakra me de be ma mabru ni se ene obi ti amakom din a wo se amakom nye babia teteba enti sa nyina agyina ntete a wo de be ma oba no ko yi so amakom na agidi pa but ye hwe abrabo ni ye ma abrabo na anye basa basa nti nyina agyina de we obesi atete oba na fa nti babia nti mo obi nyina babi enkase amakom nye bia ye tena bobra na babia teteba amakom ye babia teteba ni nyina ne wo obofo no de we obesi atete oba na fa kakra mi so betimi aka no zo bibi bisa
ene mpacho e da se paso so
Florida Kunedo Ajimai, Florinedu GH for short. Here is Amekom, and it's nice here in terms of games, in terms of traffic. I think with traffic issues, we have no traffic issues here. Everything is very nice here, very calm. And especially the most interesting part is when it comes to football. When there are football matches around here, the place is so busy. Sellers can sell, they can make nice sales, and each and every one around nearby and far away, they come close to sell a lot of things, party stuff and food stuff. And this has been very recruitive if you have to talk about the native staying around here. And the political parties, thank you very much. You've made this place one of the best when it comes to your rallies and your programs. It's called people from the central region, western region, eastern region, the whole part of Ghana to come here at Amekom to support, especially at the sports stadium, which we really appreciate. We just hope and pray that the management who is managing this place, especially the sports stadium, will keep on the good work and make the place very attractive so that we will get programs like this. And this is going to give a lot of benefit for the people staying in around of Amekom. And if you are new here in Kumasi, I recommend Amekom that you come around. We don't have traffic problems. We don't have noisy places. So come join us. Let's stay in Amekom. Thank you. I'm Farida Kunedo Ajimai.
What experience wa Amekom anything?
Oh, Amekom ade bibia e okay wa ha. Problem bia ni ha. Me sole ba me beton me mpaboa me bia me shop ton me mpaboa wi amatum me komfie ade achi amaba kika bia ni ha ahadwo kama bibia problem bia me china ha na ache me hu problem bia wa Amekom ha.
Santiman Ghana man yede ukrom ni adwumadie ewo the Kingdom of Asante official TV so ba na wie o Amekom. And my remember to subscribe to your YouTube channel, The Kingdom of Asante Official TV. So there will be videos be about ukrom na dwumadia ye twitwa krom kro e wo Kumasi nyina se de be ewiasa mansan nyina ebe hu me da mu nyina mase me anu ka se efre me Kofi Frempong.